guys, I'm Brian, and today I want to talk to you about DMP's new 1168 wireless combination smoke, carbon monoxide, and low temperature detector. It provides protection to your sleeping family in the event that you have carbon monoxide in your home, and the low temperature detector is also great if your furnace were to go out, letting you know that you have an issue in your home. One of the greatest features of the 1168 is that it's a multi-factor detector. It has a photoelectric chamber, an IR flicker sensor, and a high temperature sensor, and so it needs to put those factors together to detect an alarm, meaning that it'll reduce false alarms, it won't go into alarm for something like burnt toast, but only when you have a real fire on the premises. And because the three sensors come into a single device, it's gonna look great on your ceiling or on your wall. It's not gonna clutter it up with lots of different devices to provide that protection that your family needs. For more information on the 1168, go to dmp.com or click on the link in the description below for our DMP Training Center videos where we go into a deep dive of the features and benefits of the 1168.